Hi, my name is Isabella Jacques, and I'm 16 years old. I live in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I've been coding for 8 months. The thing I like most about Koderon is that I can add my artistic side to my coding side. At first, I thought this coding thing was going to be a side project, but now that I've accomplished so much, I really do see a future career in it. This is my most recent Python game, and it's an imitation of Crossy Road. In the middle left, you have a little turtle that you can freely control and cross the lines like you would in the regular game. Now, if you can see the little yellow dots, those are the coins that you have to collect in order to pass the level. And I'll show you, I can collect one. And, ow, you see the car hit me there, so now I'm down to 2 lives. And if I run out of lives, if I keep getting hit by cars, we'll wait, then the game will set up a game over, try again, and you're able to try again until you get it. I use concepts such as functions, loops, lists to make this game work. For example, I use lists to make all the cars move at the same time.